In 1988, to tackle the problem of boiler explosion hazards, we established abroad. In the following year, we invented a pressure-free hot water boiler and transferred the technology to more than 10 boiler manufacturers, actualizing the primitive capital accumulation. In 1992, to tackle the problem of ozone layer depletion caused by CFCs, Broad invented non-electric air conditioning and has sold products to more than 80 countries. In 1996, to tackle the problem of remote real-time service of air conditioning, Broad invented a global networked monitoring system, which was a forerunner of Internet Plus and IoT. In 1999, to tackle the problem of climate change, Broad invented a new type of air conditioning that uses power plant exhaust to provide cooling and heating, achieving zero emissions. In 2004, to tackle the problem of high energy consumption in central air conditioning, Broad invented the zero resistance packaged distribution system, achieving an energy savings by 70%. In 2008, to tackle the problem of indoor air pollution, Broad invented the Clean Fresh Air machine, making indoor air 100 times cleaner than outdoor air. In 2009, to tackle the earthquake resistance and energy-saving problems of buildings, Broad invented factory-made steel structure buildings, achieving a 9-magnitude earthquake resistance and a 5 times higher energy efficiency. The history of Broad is a history of tackling world problems with the wisdom of Chinese people. When the clock of history struck the year 2015, we were greatly surprised to find that in today's world, although construction and transportation industries are embedded with brilliant technologies, the basic structural materials remain quite primitive. This was seen as a critical problem, and Broad was determined to tackle it. In the following 4 years, we devoted more than 1,000 staff and experienced more than 100 major failures along the way, one of which cost more than 10 million RMB in a split second. Finally, we successfully invented a sandwiched structural material, the Broad Core B-Core slab. The B-Core slab is composed of 2 stainless steel plates held together with an array of extremely thin core tubes through a 1,100 degrees copper brazing process. With just a little knowledge of mechanics, we would understand that sandwich structure is the ultimate structural material with exceptional mechanical properties. However, what is the most essential is that B-Core slab is made of Broad's original hot air copper brazing technology, which can achieve mass production at low cost. Today, reinforced concrete buildings around the world, though stunning to behold, can only last for a few decades. After all the vanity has receded, the earth is stuffed with construction wastes. The B-Core building is made of stainless steel that is 100 times more corrosion resistant than carbon steel. Its lifespan can reach thousands of years or even longer, while offering superior earthquake resistance so that human wealth and historical memories can be passed down for many generations. Today, highways span the globe, taking up vast amounts of land and cutting through fragile ecosystems. By using B-Core slabs for road construction, even if the road is built completely overhead, it will be at low cost and will have an extremely fast construction speed. Today, various vehicles everywhere use the same structural material that has been used for 100 years. The dreams of generations of car makers to have lighter weight materials have never been realizable until now. By using stainless steel B-Core slabs, we could possibly reduce a vehicle body weight at half and greatly extend a vehicle's service life. Today, ships sailing through the oceans are majestic, but their hulls still use the same single-layer steel plate as the Titanic. By using B-Core slabs to build ships, even if the hull was knocked down into few sections, and ship will not sink since a B-Core slab is a sandwiched structure that is half as light as seawater. Today, the greatest pride of humanity, aircraft, is actually made of highly fragile magnesium aluminum alloy and FRP or carbon fiber. The sandwich layer is bonded with adhesive and is prone to failure under severe vibration and shock. Aircraft using stainless steel B-core slabs would be 10 times stronger, as well as lighter and more durable. Today, the wind turbine, which is regarded by humanity as the greatest hope for future renewable energy, is made of fiberglass and only has a lifespan of about 10 years. Wind turbine blades made of the stainless steel B-core slab can be at least twice as light as fiberglass to realize power generation with a breeze, and more importantly, can last for generations and potentially stop climate change fundamentally. B-core slab, a seemingly extremely simple structural material, will transform the world's construction, transportation, and energy industries from the foundation due to its superior high mechanical properties, huge size, and ultra-low cost. History will prove the invention of the B-core slab has marked the possession of infinite resources, and henceforth mankind has been able to build an everlasting civilization on this beautiful planet, where our ancestors have resided for generations.